Hi everyone. So now we have Sony XR-7071. It's from 1990s. We did full service for it, changed the belts, checked the lighting bulbs, cleaned the heads, lubricate everything what has to be lubricated, and also we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. Radio itself, it's in perfect cosmetic condition. Looks like I think it's never been in the car. Very few minor scratches. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and as usual I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Also, it sounds amazing, really good sound quality. Okay, let's try cassette. Let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Just perfect. This radio is two color, so let's change to the green one. If you want to change color, just so you know, first press select and later number 1. Very easy. Okay, all lights are perfect. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves or long waves mode. So you have to go with this band button. So simply press couple times. Now middle waves, which means Bluetooth is connected. Okay, let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is. Okay, Bluetooth is connected. Now you can go to any music you have on your phone. A bit too loud. That's it. Very simple to use. Let's go for another song. Cool, right? And when you want to back to your regular radio FM mode, simply press this button a couple times again until you back to FM mode. Once, twice. That's it. You're back to regular radio now. Really simple to use. Okay guys, that's all. Thumbs up.